beloved in the Lord.
Dans la vie,
In life,
tu ne peux jamais aller très loin.
you can never go far.
Tu ne peux jamais réussir
You can't succeed
si tu n'as pas la vision.
if you do not have vision.
Celui qui a la
The
vision,
one who has the vision,
à partir d'aujourd'hui,
from today,
il peut se
he
dire,
can say to
j'ai
himself,
tel âge,
at this age,
après 3 ans,
after 3
après
years,
2 ans,
after 2 years,
assurément,
surely,
par la grâce de
by the
Dieu,
grace of
j'aurai
God,
tel
I
niveau.
will reach this level.
Tout est question de ta vision.
All depend on your vision.
Sans vision,
Without
tu ne
vision,
sauras pas t'orienter.
you will not, you can't be
Mais
able
la
to lead yourself.
vision est là
But the vision is
pour te
there.
diriger,
So to lead you,
pour t'orienter,
so to orient
pour te
you, so
canaliser.
to canalize you.
Vision na yo
Your vision
ekotambwisa
will
yo.
walk with
Na
you.
2010
In
oyo,
2010,
il était strictement interdit
you are really forbidden
de la commencer sans vision.
to start it without any vision. Where you
Sans
want to go.
vision,
Without any vision,
okotambula marché nyonso ya Londres awa bisomba bi acheta. Alléluia.
you go through all the markets of London buying and selling.
Bouge les voisins, dis voisin.
Check your neighbor, say neighbor.
Année 2010,
2010,
il faut avoir la
you
vision.
need to have a vision.
Ozokola.
You are growing up.
I love the call. I love the call.